We see it all around us. It is reflected in the rising and setting of the sun, giving us changes in light and dark, cold and warm weather, and morning and night. Time goes hand in hand with change as it allows something to move from one stage to the next, becoming a progression or process. Change in living things happens internally as well as externally. There are physical changes as well as emotional or mental changes. In science, we've discussed a change process called metamorphosis, where a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. In literature, we recognize change in the characters we've read. These characters are called dynamic characters.
The water makes her dream, woken by a cloud of steam.
The metamorphic process begins with an egg. The egg grows into what's called larva, more commonly referred to as a caterpillar. The caterpillar grows for about 4 weeks, then it's off to the next stage. It spins a pupa around itself and undergoes changes inside. After about 10 to 14 days, there's a short struggle to free itself from the pupa and a butterfly emerges, expanding its wings ready for flight. Let's take a closer look at that final stage.
She has caught by a thread. She pays for the bread and she goes. Nobody knows. Sun been down for days. A winter melody. She plays, the thunder makes her contemplate. She hears a noise behind the gate. Perhaps a letter with a dove. Perhaps a stranger.
Elizabeth Bennet in Pride and Prejudice is a prime example of a dynamic character, undergoing significant changes during the course of the novel. During initial meetings with Mr. Darcy, she reads his reserved and awkward manner as prideful and arrogant. The story sets up several eventful encounters, a confession, a letter, a sister's elopement, all through which Darcy's true character is revealed. Elizabeth's opinion and character change. Her own Pride and Prejudice are revealed, which allows her to love and eventually become Mrs. Darcy. Transformation and progression is a part of life. Now that we've examined 2 types of change, reflect upon what you've learned. Take a moment to write down your thoughts. Perhaps you'll be able to recognize a time of metamorphosis or character development in your own life.
She fights for her life on the train. She looks at the rain as it pours. And she fights for her life as she goes in the store.